Hi everyone, this is Chef Alex. We are at the beautiful property of Club Mahindra Assonora. Today I'm going to show you one of the most popular dish, which is Mackerel Recheado. Recheado actually means anything which can be stuffed. For example, you can stuff the fish, you can stuff vegetables like bindi, you can stuff chicken, you can stuff beef, whatever ingredient which can be stuffed. So for that we got some nice fresh mackerels. We can use sea bass, we can use pomfrets, we can even use prawns for this dish. Then we should make a masala first. For the masala we require first and foremost the Kanakona chilies. We have this nice chilies. These chilies need to be soaked in vinegar, toddy vinegar overnight. So here we got some nice toddy vinegar. Then we got some spices, which is cinnamon. Then we got some cloves. We have some peppercorn. Again, these are homegrown. We got some cardamoms, a little bit of ginger, and we got some garlic. This dish actually is little on a spicier side. So whenever you try this, it's all up to you. If you want to make it spicy, then you need to add some more spices in it or the chilies in it. So all the spices has to be soaked overnight along with the chilies, except for ginger and garlic. So this is toddy vinegar. This is specially made in Goa with coconuts. You can use synthetic vinegar, you can use red wine vinegar, but this is one of the best to use for recheados. So here we got some nice mackerels, fresh mackerels. I'll show you how to do the pockets so that we can put the stuffing inside. First you clean the mackerels, you open up the guts and clean it. Then you make the pockets on both the sides. So here, this is how you make the pockets. So all the masalas should go in there. So this is how the masala will look like once it is grinded. It has to be into a nice smooth paste. And now we'll start with the stuffing of the mackerels. So first, one side. And then we'll go on the other side. This we can even do with sea bass and pomfrets and any other fish. For vegetarian, we can even stuff the paneer, or we can coat the paneer and just grill it on the hot pan. Now we are going to fry the mackerels in a nice hot pan. You take some coconut oil or vegetable oil. I would prefer the coconut oil because it's from Goa, and then most of us go and use coconut oil. Now we're going to fry. So this will take around 5 to 6 minutes. So now we are going to flip the mackerel on the other side. So nice golden color on both the sides, which will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Whenever you are in Club Mahindra resorts in Goa, please try this dish. I'm sure you will love it.